Welcome back to the code engineer. In today's operator exclusive or XOR, the operator symbol is XOR. The truth table of XOR 0 1 means result 1, 1 0 means result 1. Now we will go to example 7 XOR 4. It is a decimal value. We are going to convert the decimal value into binary equivalent. We have 8421 logic. Now we will add 4 to 1, that is equivalent to 7. Decimal equivalent to binary value is 111. Same as 4. The 4 value is 1, remaining or 0. The decimal value 4 equivalent to binary value is 100. Now we can perform XOR operator. The XOR 10 means result will be 1. 10 again 1. 11 the result will be 0. 011 is a binary value. We are going to convert over 11 means that is the value of 11 is 3. So 7 XOR 4 value is 3. Can try some other examples. 12 XOR 8 second. 14 XOR 10 third. 22 XOR 27. You can use the XOR operator and comment your result. Now we will check the 7 XOR 4 value is 3 in Python programming. Now check the exclusive or XOR. Exclusive or is called XOR. 7 XOR 4. Now we can run this code. The output will be 3.